Become a better affiliate marketer with these tips. Affiliate marketing works at such a pace that it is deemed a venerable marketing business. The history of affiliate marketing proves how effective and profitable it can be. Given the history and ever-changing nature of this business, one has much to learn when first entering it. The tips presented here can be useful for those interested in affiliate marketing. Whether you already have an established business or are just getting started, these ideas can be helpful. Define your goals before you start working if you want to achieve the best results. This is something all business owners have to do, and it doesn't change simply because your business operates online. Take your time and write down your goals and overall mission. Having something solid to aspire to will help you reach your destination. Keep affiliate marketing sites organized by tagging all of the posts. Tags help visitors find the content important to them. It also helps search engines understand which keywords are relevant to the site. Make the tags as descriptive as possible in order to generate traffic to the site and increase profits. If you want to make more money, diversify the products that you sell. You can find a selection of products that a particular niche would be interested in and then focus your advertisement towards this niche. Another option could be to reach out to different niches. Both of these methods have been proven and you should find what works best for you. Once you are making a decent amount of money, you should think about asking for more money from the program that you joined. If you are a good worker, the program will be willing to offer you a raise for your work. There is plenty of money to be made through affiliate marketing. As with so many marketing avenues, educating yourself on the ins and outs of the process is the key to getting your share of the potential profits. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.